Right, hi everyone, this is your homework. This shouldn't take you very long. What I want you to do is put your title as Los Deberes, and then you can put Gramática 1 as your subtitle. Now, I'm going to give you 5 sentences here, and each one is going to be missing a verb. I just want you to write out the sentence and add in the missing verb. Okay, so if we look at the first one, mi hermana, 16 años. My sister, 16 años. My sister, 16 years of age. So, remember, in English we say, for example, if you're 12, you say I am 12, but in Spanish they don't say I am 12, they say I have 12 years. So we need the have verb here. So in this case, my sister has 16 years. So what verb would go in there? So pause the video. After each one, pause the video and write out the sentence in full with the missing verb. Okay? Then I'll whiz through the other 5. But again, pause it after each one. Número 2. Hoy mis hermanos un poco cansados. Today my brothers are feeling a little tired. Now I put that feeling in brackets there to highlight the fact this is a temporary state, okay? And it's my brothers. So which one will that be? Número 3. Diría que bastante trabajador. I would say that I'm quite hardworking. I am. Now trabajador is a personality adjective, so that should influence your decision there, and it's I am. Número 4. Personalmente pienso que mi hermana y yo bastante divertidos. Personally, I think that my sister and I are quite funny. Now notice I've put the we in brackets there because it's the we form of the verb. Whenever we say, for example, my sister and I, my friend and I, my brother and I, my mum and I, whoever, we use the we form of the verb. Okay, so again, personality adjective here, divertido, personality adjective. Número 5. Mi padre, el pelo castaño y los ojos azules. My dad has brown hair and blue eyes. Mi padre, el pelo castaño y los ojos azules. Which verb goes in there? So again, you're writing out the whole sentence, adding in the missing verb. That's part 1. Part 2, spot the mistakes. Okay, so I've got a sentence on here now. Mi padre tiene el pelo castaño. And as you can see on here now, underneath in yellow, I've highlighted the fact that tienen is wrong. It should be tiene because it's just my dad we're talking about here. So that we want the third person, VPB3 as we call it. So you can see the format I've got there now. There's 6 sentences there now. Each one has a mistake. What I want you to do is write out for each one the wrong word, write out what the wrong word is, then a slash, then should be, then what the right word should be, like the yellow for number 1. So you can see what I've done there for number 1. So the wrong word there is tienen and it should be tiene. Okay, I want you to do that for each of those. Now I'll go through what they mean now. Okay, so number 2, I would say that my sister is very intelligent. Number 3, personally, I think that I am funny. Number 4, my sister is 15 years old. Number 5, I have a dog and a rabbit. And number 6, I don't have brown hair. So that's that one there. So you can pause the video now and complete that part. And then the final task I want you to do is the translation here. So if you look on this now, I've got a text here in English, and then below I've got the translation in Spanish, but there are 15 words missing. I just want you to write out the numbers 1 to 15 and write down which words are missing in each gap. So if we look at this, number 1, the missing word is llamo. Hello, I'm called Juan. And we can look at the translation. It says, hola, me Juan. Therefore, that in that number 1, llamo needs to go in there. Okay, so I want you to pause the video now and complete that exercise now. And then that's the homework done.